Good afternoon, everybody. Fanman Steve here once again. Today we are going to be doing a little project with this Hyper Tough push mower here. Two of the rear wheels are a little wonky there, as well as the one here on the right side. I think that one is a little wonky there too. I think that one and that one, those are the ones that need to be replaced. There's these wheels here that I'm going to be replacing them with that were salvaged off of another push mower. And this is the first time me ever changing a wheel on a push mower. Really excited about it. I'm going to see how this is going to go. So first I'm going to get those two off, and getting these put on should be very easy. So I think it's going to look really cool too. So let's go ahead and get started here. See that piece right there? That is what led to that was the cause of the wreckage of this wheel. Okay, so I'm just gonna get these loose. Okay, so there's the first one. Okay, so now we will take care of this front one. Sure that I don't lose that. Don't want to over tighten it. Or I'll loosen that up a little. do just fine. Still doesn't look like it's straight though. Alright, now let's try the last one. Okay. So I think that looks pretty good. Nice and sturdy. It's moving like it should. There's the other back wheel to it. Sorry for the exaggeration. Out with the old and in with the new. Well, okay, well there you have it, everybody. First time me changing a wheel or a tire on a push mower. And it was a success and not a success. Well, I hope that you all have enjoyed the video, and until the next one, over and out.